Alright, my fellow veterans, listen up. Sam Kim here. I want you to think back to the basic training or boot camp. Remember that feeling? They broke us down and they rebuilt us. They equipped us with the skills, discipline, and the mindset to win any battle. Today, we're in a different kind of fight. The fight for our VA benefits. And I'm here to arm you with a new weapon, a new skill set that is going to feel like you're calling in heavy-hitting air support for your VA claim. We're talking about specifically large language models or LLMs. This is your mission this week, to get in the game and arm yourself with this AI tool. It's time to learn a new skill just like how you did in boot camp and super boost your VA claims to the stratosphere. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. AI? That sounds too complicated. Trust me, if you could field strip a rifle, you can use these tools. The video you just saw gave you a little glimpse of the power. These aren't just your fancy toys, they're powerful reconnaissance tools that can help you find the exact evidence you need to build an undeniable nexus for your claim. Think about it. How many hours have you spent trying to find the proper medical study or trying to find the right words to describe your symptoms for a claim statement? This is where the AI changes the game and saves so much time and effort. It can help you with brainstorming and understanding your conditions, learning the correct terminology for your claim, performing deep dive research to find recent medical journals and specific evidence, and yes, even helping you draft powerful, clear statements and the evidence needed for your Nexus letters. To get started, we prepared an official mission briefing. This document contains your step-by-step instructions to get you armed and ready. Look, this is the preparatory step for tomorrow. Get yourself squared away with these AI tools today. Go to sign up to ChatGPT or Google Gemini. For the kind of deep research features that can build an undeniable nexus for your claim, I recommend Gemini. Google Gemini, go look it up, okay? Now let's break it down. Your first mission is the initial recon. You're going to sign up for the free version of ChatGPT. This is your go-to tool for a quick reconnaissance, establishing a baseline capability for brainstorming and learning the terminology related to your claim. The worksheet included in this lesson section, which you can download, has the exact step-by-step instructions. Your second mission today in preparation of tomorrow's lesson is to sign up for the paid, more powerful AI called Google Gemini Advanced Plan. This is a paid subscription with a monthly fee. It will cost you approximately $20 a month, no more. This is a tool that performs in-depth research into medical journals to find the specific evidence you need. It's about unlocking a premium research tool to fight smarter. So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Examine the step-by-step instructions on the attached document with this lesson. Complete mission 1. Sign up for your free ChatGPT account for initial recon and just to play around with it, okay? And third step is complete mission 2 by subscribing to Gemini Advanced. Now, this AI tool can help you to do Nexus research. The worksheet even has a secure place for you to write down your login info and brainstorm your first questions for the AI. Please ensure that you keep the sheet in a safe and private location because this will help you to complete your VA claim. It's time to stop fighting with one hand tied behind your back. It's time to arm yourself with the best technology available. Get that worksheet, download it, print it. It's free from me. Sign up for these tools and let's get the benefits you deserved and earned. Stay frosty. Talk to you soon.